Rice priced at 30 yuan per jin. Have you ever tried it? This is definitely the most impressive marketing tactic I've ever seen. Unknown to many, ordinary rice that used to cost only 3 yuan per jin is now packed in pull-top cans and sold at 30 yuan per jin. The price has increased tenfold, and supply can't meet demand. They earned the money of 3 small bowls in 3 years. It's the new type of rice highly praised by many industry leaders. Once called farmer's rice by Nongmi Jia, founder Jiang Feng boldly stated, "If Costco is a green cargo truck, then Nongmi Jia is a high-speed train." Once said. The first to react was the grain and oil giant Jinlong Huayu, who immediately followed suit. So what exactly is going on? Could canned rice be a new growth curve? We have to admire Jiang Feng's keen business sense. Jiang Feng used to run a shoe business for over 10 years. Then he suddenly switched to the grain and oil industry. As a newcomer in the grain and oil sector, he quickly faced a tough problem. He lacked strong resources and advantages, and was at a disadvantage in competition. His only option was to take a new path. So Jiang Feng focused on a special group of people. This group is especially concerned about health and quality. Every day they want to cook a proper meal, but they are too busy to cook, and end up eating something quick outside. Jiang Feng saw the business opportunity and acted immediately. He tailored the product for these young people's dining tables. Just 1 can of rice, 1 can of water poured directly into the pot, and that's a meal. No need to rinse the rice. No worry about too much or too little water. The steamed rice is perfectly cooked, neither too hard nor too soft. No leftover food wasted. The canned rice attracted wide attention upon release, selling 1 million cans in the first month. But let's be honest. Consumers aren't stupid. Canned rice. Do you dare to blatantly overcharge? Is that possible? Actually, Nongmi Jia chose pull-top cans, mainly because after harvesting the freshest Wuchang rice of the season, they immediately pack it using technology in bags and cans. This locks in over 90% of its nutrients and active components. A great product is just the beginning. Jiang Feng knew traditional distribution channels offered no advantage, so he abandoned traditional channels and took a new route. He partnered with Chinese restaurants. My rice is expensive, 5 yuan per ball, but I'll tell you why it's worth it, and explain the product in detail. Some restaurants even open the can and cook the rice live in front of customers. Consumers learn about and taste Nongmi Jia rice, naturally developing buying interest. Restaurants became Nongmi Jia's sales channels. Following this model, Nongmi Jia quickly entered over 500 brand name restaurants, and even became the designated brand for several 5-star restaurants. The key is Nongmi Jia created a new model for brands to face consumers directly. After the product reaches a large number of consumers directly, Nongmi Jia struck again. Changing the game, Jiang Feng once said, "Product and traffic. Every can of rice I sell will ultimately reach consumers' hands, facing consumers directly. Why not let the product speak for itself and treat the product as a free traffic entrance?" Nongmi Jia placed a label near the pull tab on the can. Consumers open the can and immediately see a QR code. Scanning it joins Nongmi Jia's member traffic pool. Inside the pool, they can join lotteries and get scanned reports. Simple and direct. They give out cash red envelopes directly, letting consumers enjoy real benefits, encouraging consumers to repeatedly purchase products. At the same time, consumers just need to scan the QR code to enter the traffic pool. They will automatically become members. Subsequent online orders enjoy a 10% discount. The promotions platform also hosts exclusive weekly benefit events. The higher the membership level, the more generous the discount benefits. Soon, Nongmi Jia's member traffic pool had 1.2 million consumers. 50,000 member households subtly influenced an increasing number of consumers' mindsets. Just as everyone had just figured out Nongmi Jia's doctor, Nongmi Jia introduced another new tactic. Relying on its powerful private membership system, it started to adopt a partner model. As long as you become a partner, you will get a 20% rebate on your future orders, based on an average annual consumption of 40 gold coins per person. Each year, you can save at least 6,000 yuan in living costs. Of course, aside from saving money, you can also make money if you share Nongmi Jia's purchase link with friends. As long as a friend places an order, you will receive a 15% referral commission. If your downline also becomes a partner, you can earn an additional 5% invitation commission. Suppose there is a person who spends 100 yuan each time. Then 100 transactions would amount to 10,000 yuan. If that person brings in 100 consumers and each one makes 100 purchases here, imagine the profit you could earn. Needless to say, if differentiated tactics enable Long MIGA to profit, then its product and traffic strategy is the secret to Long MIGA's sustained profitability.